How to fix Rockstar Games? We are unable to handle your request at this time. 1.500.7 error. First step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and click reset now. Click yes and reset it. Next step, open run, type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, click OK. Click Rockstar Games folder, click launcher folder, delete the files and folders inside the launcher folder. Close it and move on with next step. Right click the application, click run as administrator or else click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Search for command prompt, right click run as administrator and type the following text, ipconfig space /plus DNS, click enter. Next command ipconfig space /release, click enter. Next command ipconfig space /renew, click enter. Next command netsh space winsock space reset, click enter. Next command netsh space int space ip space reset, click enter. Exit it. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, select change settings, scroll down, search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app, click it, click browse, go to C drive, program files, Rockstar Games Launcher. You get the application, click it and click add in the bottom side. After adding, enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Next step, open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. Go to program files, go to Rockstar Games Launcher, click uninstall. Last and final step, you need to uninstall the launcher. After uninstall, go to the official website of the Rockstar Games, download and install the latest version and freshly install it. Thank you.